I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. Once again, I'm going to show you the collections of new arrival varieties in the low range from the Kesaria Manufacturers, which is only silk exclusive varieties from the rapier segment. If I talk about this new arrival collections from the rapier segment, 500 range to 1000 rupees range of varieties. Paitani, and you have a base of Swarovski, Kanjivaram base, Mahalakshmi weaving work sarees, all these collections with the color charts. Friends, I just want to show you, here is the beautiful rapier silk segment. So 150, 170 to 1000 rupees range of collections with where you can purchase with only Kesaria Manufacturers with color charts and only at customer friendly budget. So keep watching this video, subscribe the channel, and this new arrivals, resellers, dealers, wholesalers, businesswomen and entrepreneurs, you can quickly add into your business to have a fast moving product and the loving products for the silk varieties at friendly budget. When you are into a business, you have a profit, margin, quality and quantity. Overall, you have to give it assurance to your customers, right? So let's see the new arrivals. Subscribe the channel, quickly you can place an order. COD Pan India, you have an options. Let's see the collections. So just the new variety, if I talk about the Paitani pattern, very beautiful Paitani with the dotted butta with the jamun color, the dark brinjalish or dark jamun pattern. You have a lovely peacock concepts of 3 combination colors of the pallu, where lovely pattern with this functional parties and the heavy festival range of varieties you can purchase. If I talk about one more variety in the Paitani pattern, you have a butta weaving with a bottle green, or you have a peacock green, very lovely pattern, sober, which is very classy. You have a floral pallu, lovely color combination with the parrot combination, so dark contrasted at the pallu with the beautiful painting weaving you can see over here. This sarees also you can purchase with set to set with the classy and the lightweight Paitani pattern. Talk about the next variety, your unique exclusive with heavy golden pallu with the Kanjivaram. So magenta pink, I can say, lovely beautiful color with the floral, golden pattu with the Kanjivaram concepts with pure south taste. You can have these exclusive varieties. It goes up to selling 3000, 5000, 6000 margin range of varieties. If we talk about the next collection, the peacock blue color, very beautiful copper butta. So copper butta with peacock blue. So in these collections, you have a beautiful copper butta, heavy beautiful border. In this you have a lovely collections. In this also you can have a color charts. So these are exclusive varieties. If I talk about the next variety, if it is a stonework pattern, Swarovski pattern. So the mild stonework, which is you have a multicolor, the unique with border with the stonework, unique Swarovski is the code. In this code, by saying you have a mild stonework sari in this rapier silk segment. For the stonework people, if stonework, if they like, you can have this collections and you can suggest. And I have a rapier silk matte look, which is a pink color with a bottle green, or the Rama green, I can say. Mega Nazara silk is the code. In this pattern, you have a beautiful thread work and lovely color charts. In this also, you have a beautiful pattern of varieties. So all these exclusive varieties, you have only this 500 range of to 1000 rupees range of collections of the new arrivals. So my friends, I have showed you every sari you have a set to set with the color chart, 7 colors, 6 colors, every bundle. At my background you can see here. So Kesaria Manufacturers deal with set to set, no single piece, and resellers, dealers, wholesalers, businessmen and entrepreneurs. If you have a plan of new collections and starting silk business, you can directly walk into Kesaria Manufacturers. Doriwala Square Building next to Mohan, 3 minutes walkable distance from Surat Railway Station. Hope you enjoyed these varieties. Quickly take your mobile and place an order. You have an online team to converse you to have a live video calling purchase also, you can do it. So next video will meet. Don't forget to share the link with your friends, relatives, with everyone. Keep supporting me. There's a bell icon, just click it, subscribe the channel, and please share your name and city in the comments. If you have a doubts, you please let me know. I'll just tell you in the video. So next video will meet. Until then, take care. Bye bye, my friends.